video, I am going to show you how to run Meta ads in Nigeria. Now, listen to me very carefully. Now, what is Meta? Meta is a company owned by Mark Zuckerberg. Different kind of products or platforms rolled out to us by Mark Zuckerberg, in which we have Instagram, Facebook, Threads, and so much more like that. You can make use of Google search to understand more about Meta after you watch this video to the end. My name is Ayo, and if you're new to this channel, comment "Let's go Mr. Ayo" and put that fire emoji. Why? So as to give us more motivations to give out more greater content. I'm going to show you for free and reveal some secrets to you. For those of you who have problem with your ads manager, maybe Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ads, you have problem with your payment method, you cannot pay, you cannot target the right audience, or you have any problem generally, you can chat me now on WhatsApp using this number you see or the link you see under the description box or the comment section. You hit that link, you get into my WhatsApp, you can decide to call me on video call, and we don't play games here. You see my face like this. Do you understand? So back into the video. Now, before you run Meta ads, you have to understand which of these Meta platforms do you want to place your ads. Are you going to be placing your ads on Thread, Facebook, and Instagram at the same time, or you want to run it on Instagram and Facebook, or you just want to use maybe Thread and Facebook, or you just want to use only Facebook or only Instagram or only Thread? Do you understand? So you have to have this at the back of your mind. Now, once you know this, then the next thing is for you to be able to know how to run ads on that particular platform, right? Or place ads on all of these platforms. Now, listen to me very carefully. Either you want to place ads on only Instagram, I'm going to show you that guide on this video. Either you just want to place it on Facebook, I'm going to show you in this video. Either you just want to place it on Thread, I'm going to show you in this video. Do you understand? So watch it to the end. Let me just show you a very simple guide that is going to show you a very big secret. Okay, so let's get straight into it.
To go into your Chrome browser and you're going to visit www.facebook.com. This is the home page. Now, when you click on this side, on this left hand side, right, when you click on see more, you should be able to see ads manager, right? This is ads manager on the screen right here. Do you understand? If you see yours up here, you can click on it, and if you see it anywhere here, click on it. So I'm going to click on ads manager, and this is actually going to open the ads manager, you know, dashboard where you can create your ads, especially Meta ads. So let's wait for it to load. Right, it's just opened right now, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create new ad. Let's say you want to create a Meta ad. You click on create new ad, and once you click on create new ad, let's say I want to go for leads, right? When I click on leads and I click on continue, then this is going to actually bring the campaign level, right, where you need to name your campaign, whatever, and set your budget. So you can see the campaign name. Let's just say I leave it like this. Let's say you've named your campaign, right, because I want to show you the main settings you need to click on to run Meta ads, or to run ads on Thread, Instagram, and Facebook at the same time, or run it just on Facebook, run it just on Instagram, or just on Thread. Do you understand? So I want you to pay more attention right now. So this is the budget. So if I want to set campaign budget, daily budget, I can input the budget right now. Do you understand? This is over 4,900 and something, so I can edit it into 5,000 naira, right, depending on however I want to do it. So once I do this, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down and I'm going to click on next, right? Let's say you clicked on next. Do you understand? Now, once you click on next, you're going to get into the ad set level. Now, the ad set level, this is where you're going to be setting the targeting, the placement, where you want these ads to show, right? And let's get into it. So you're going to see conversion location. Let's just say maybe I selected, you know, I want them to come over to my, you know, my WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp, right? You can see this right here. I'm going to click on WhatsApp, and immediately I clicked on WhatsApp, you're going to see this performance goal, maximize number of conversations, right? And you can see they are asking me to connect a WhatsApp account. So if you want to connect a WhatsApp account, just click on connect account, and they are going to send a code to your WhatsApp business for you to be able to verify and link it, and it will be done. Do you understand? And also you can also check among the pages you want to use. So if I click on iOS marketing, I think one WhatsApp number has been added to this page, so it's going to load it here. Do you understand? So this is the WhatsApp connected to it, so it's very successful. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go down. So this audience, you have to pay more attention to the audience. Now for some of you who don't know how to target rich customers, you can get straight to me. You understand? So there's a difference between target audience and targeting rich people who are ready to buy what you want. You understand? What you sell. So if you click on this pencil icon, you can be able to set your location, right, and set your minimum age, your language, right. Click on detailed targeting, set your interest or whatever, save your audience. Now here comes the part that I want to show you. You're going to see placement. Under this placement, this is where you are going to be making a change, whether you want your ads to show only on Instagram, show only on Facebook, or show on Threads. Do you understand? Or you want it to show everywhere. So you're going to go under this place, something like show more settings. You're going to click on show more settings, and you're going to see something like devices or platforms. This is where you want to click. You're going to click on this pencil icon, and once you click on this pencil icon, you will have the ability to either show, if you want your ads to show on Facebook, if you want your ads to show on Instagram, you tick it. If you want it to show on audience network, you tick it, which is apps. If you want it to show on Threads, now you're going to click on it. You can see Threads is showing here, Messenger and WhatsApp, right? These are the things that consist, these are the products, Meta products, right? This is all what they call Meta. Meta has different other things they offer, right? Like I said, if you watch this video to the end, you can go to Google and search more of their products. But based on the advertising platforms, right, their social network, this is actually what they have: Facebook, Instagram, audience network, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Thread. Now the reason why this Thread is bringing this red message is because probably my ad, especially WhatsApp inbox ad, is not supported on Thread yet. If you are running an engagement ad, maybe you want to get more video views, or probably you want to get just probably DMs. Do you understand? You'll be able to see this Thread, but WhatsApp is not supported on Thread yet. That's why you can't see it here. So for you can select some other kind of objective. Now if I want to run ads on Instagram and Instagram, audience network, whatever, I could just decide to tick off Facebook and leave only Instagram, audience network, and if Thread is available for your type of ad, you understand, I can select it. But if I want to use only Facebook, right, I can decide to tick off Instagram and use Facebook, WhatsApp, audience network, and Thread, right? So this is basically how it is. This, I go down and I click on next, you will be taken to a place where you are going to set your ads, creative, submit your ad, and you'll be able to do it successfully. For those of you who want me to show you how to do it on your mobile phone, you understand, if you want me to show you how to do it on your if you want me to show you on your mobile phone how to do Meta ads successfully, probably running it on Thread everywhere using your mobile phone, you can chat me on WhatsApp using this number you are seeing on the screen, and I'll be able to attend to you. My audience, or you coming to my consultation, is not just restricted to Nigerians. Everybody in the world can send a DM to me. If you request for a video call, no problem. So far you're going to pay for my consultation. I have no problem with that. We solve the problem right straight. Do you understand? So I will see you in the next video.